about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones representing Pump Chasers. So check it out, fam. I literally just got home from the grocery store. And I was like, you know what, man? We in the fall. I haven't recorded a vlog in a couple of weeks. Let's go ahead and tap in with the fam. I want to tap in with you guys. I'm going to put my groceries away. I'm going to have me a meal and get ready to go to the gym. And I'm going to take you guys along. Let's get it, all right? All right, homies and homies. So I'm not really hungry. So instead of eating, then going to the gym, I'm going to do a smoothie. Now, you already know. You head on down to TigerFitness.com and get those Pump Chaser subs, okay? 30 minimum. So, doing one scoop away. Now, keep in mind, fam, it's the fall. I'm not cutting or nothing like that. Right now, I'm in that season of preserving. See, you gotta know what season you're in. Sometimes I'm in that locked in, it's time to get crispy season. And then I'm in that season where I'm like, you know what? I just want to eat what I want and train. That's when it's kind of like a bulking phase for me. And then I'm in that season where I'm like, I just want to look good, keep it together. Like a maintenance. You know, keeping everything maintained season. That's where I'm at right now. Just embracing the lifestyle. This is a lifestyle. People forget. You know, I'm cool with challenges and stuff like that, but this is a lifestyle. You want to do this shit for decades? Remember, I'm 40. I've been doing this since 19. If you want to do this for decades, you got to create a system that allows balance. I'm not in locked in crispy mode year round. And if you really peep game, fam, a lot of these fake natties, a lot of these people out here taking steroids just to look regular, just to look natural anyway, they're doing that shit because they're burnt out. They need a little extra help. See, I don't burn myself out. You got to know what season you're in. Keep that in mind. They about to start off lovely. Do some frozen fruit. And one more thing. It doesn't really matter when you take your creatine, just take it. Since I'm doing a shake anyway, go ahead and get my creatine in. Okay. Here we go. Got the smoothie right here, guys. Like that. Look at the thickness. The thickness. TigerFitness.com. Damn! 30 minutes. All right, homies and homies. Here we are. We at Lifetime Fitness. Let's get it, fam. What company makes this? Life Fitness? I like this. Bro.
Yeah.
Come on in, fam. Now, I've told y'all many times, all seated cable rows are not equal. If you can find a good one, try to stick to it. This is by Life Fitness. Check it out, fam. Notice it got 2 handles. So this is great for unilateral movements. Do some one-arm rows. Photos. Feet. You can feel that last stretch. Now come in real quick. Show my feet. Do not overlook the feet. If your feet are not evenly pressed, you want to feel the weight evenly in both feet. That's going to ensure your spine stays stable. Think about it. If your spine is wobbling and not stable, you're not going to get a really good effective stretch and a contraction on the lats. Bam. Stretch. Bam. 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 Go 180, okay? Now, as y'all saw with the light set, I made the Swedish loved. Here, I'm gonna get quality reps, but they're not gonna be as slow, okay? See, bam, just focus on moving the weight. Bam. Bam. It's a home mess. Let's left the gym having a meal at Saltgrass. What you got over there, Denise?
I got a little salad with some eggs and black olives.
Show them what I got. So check it out. I got a salad as well. Got some olives, tomato, a little egg. And for the ones that happen to give a fuck, I use balsamic vinaigrette, all right? The meal coming next. All right, fam, lunch is here. What you got over there, Denise?
I got a steak and a sweet potato.
Just keeping it simple. What kind of steak you got? Some people happen to care.
Ribeye.
Ribeye, okay. We got the New York strip, 12 ounce. For the ones that happen to give a fuck. Sweet potato plain and a chicken breast, fam. Put that. I give it a little official. That steak already looking juicy. We come here so much, we already know it's gonna be good.
Oh, this one we forgot.
What? The onions and mushrooms.
Yep.
Damn it, Denise.
I know.
But it's still good. All right, about to go outside for a minute. Look who's home. Want to say hi, Brookie? Hi. Get the Chick-fil-A over there? Yeah. Okay. About to step out for a minute, guys. Let's get it. All right, homies and homettes. So as you see, I got some GEF whey. And you can go to tigerfinish.com. Okay. I got some blueberries. I'm gonna snack on this and get some grounding in and just watch the sun as it goes down. Now I already know, some people are gonna write this off as some hippie shit, but hear me out here. When have your brother ever bullshitted you? All I know is this, fam. One day people are gonna go back, look at some of my videos and say, damn, Chris really did try. Chris really did try to put people on game. Y'all know what's funny, fam? I had a debate with a guy on camera, and I actually won. Not only did I win, I had him going against facts, hard facts, on camera. And you know what's funny? There were some people, not a whole lot, but there were some people that refused the message. They refused to accept that because he had a PhD and I didn't. We live in a crazy world where the truth can be put first. Y'all better peep this game. Back to this grounding. Back to this hippie shit.
Yeah, it's a TH, but let me hear you say thumb.
Thumb. Care.
Oh, very good. And that one's CH. And this last one, what is this one?
Sheep. SH.
Sheep. SH. Very good.
Brooke's doing some home tutoring. Good job, Brookie. All right, homies and homies, it's time for a little dinner, okay? Check me out. Gonna get this turkey cooked. We're doing 93.7. For those of y'all that happen to give a fuck, we're doing that pink salt, a little bit of garlic salt for flavor, and that black pepper, okay? Get it nice and seasoned up. All right, homies and homies, so the turkey's cooked. Let's go ahead and throw some onions in there for flavor. Okay. Throw a little bit of mushroom in there too, okay? All right, so check it out. Got some brown rice here. This is a simple brand. Here's the brand right here I use. You could also use a rice cooker and make your own brown rice like that, but this right here is great for convenience, okay? Just pop it in the microwave, ready to go. Got some beans right here. Protein. Got some fiber up in here. Iron, okay? And then I'm gonna use this chicken stock for some extra amino acids, flavor, and collagen, okay? Bam! I didn't pour the whole bottle. I use about a third each time, okay? This is the last third. Somebody gonna say, damn, he used the whole bottle? Fam, once again, night, Brookie?
Good night.
We're having our dinner and get ready for bed. All right, go ahead. I'll be over here in a minute. So check it out, fam. Here's the final product. And for a little more flavor, look at that sugar-free barbecue sauce. In Hughes we trust, okay? In Hughes we trust. Anyway, fam, also don't forget, I've been on that bro split lately. Real simple, easy to follow program. If you want to download it, go to beastmode316.com. All of the exercises come with tutorial videos. Each exercise in that program come with tutorial videos, so no excuses for bad form. And you already know, hit me up for online macro-based coaching. Well, anyway, fam, thanks for tapping in with me, and we'll see you at the next video. before we fuck up these weights.